Now the question comes up all the time. Should I repair my garage door or should I replace it? Well, there's some questions you're gonna need to ask yourself. Now, one of those questions are, do I like the way my garage door looks? Do I maybe wanna add windows? Do I prefer a different style? Because we can repair your door, but we cannot change the way it looks. Now take a look at the door itself. Is it dented? Is it cracking? Is it rusted? Is there a problem with the finish or the paint? These are things we cannot repair. Something else to consider when talking about repair versus replace is insulation. One thing I cannot do with a repair is make it warmer inside your garage. The only thing you can do is replace the garage door with a higher R value insulated garage door if that's your goal, is to make it warmer inside your garage. If you don't like the way your garage door looks, you want to add windows, and you think it's too cold in the garage, well, it looks like you're going garage door shopping. Now, to make that process as easy as possible for you, we offer free home consultations where we can run you through all the styles and colors of garage doors that we offer. Now, if you decided that you like the way your garage door looks, there's no damage to it, you don't need to add anything to it, you like the style, well then I recommend repairing it for half the price of a new garage door. So you've decided repair is for you. So what we do is we come out, we do a full inspection of your garage door. Based on those findings, we make recommendations to change the parts to get your door working like new, smooth and safe. Hopefully this video has helped you make a decision between repair and replace. No matter what you decide, give us a call, we'll be happy to help you out. Hello? Yeah, honey. No, I'm not gonna repair. Yeah, we're gonna get a new one. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you want to learn more about garage doors and garage door openers, subscribe to the link below. I'm Joe Conti with Precision Door. I'll see you next time.